Hello traders. Today is the last trading day of the month, 30th of November, guys. We bank amazing profit today, guys. Let me share with you guys how we manage very decent profit on pound yen. If you look at the 4-hour chart, our bias was short. If you haven't seen my previous analysis, you can find video on my YouTube channel. We've been short since the market developed. If you look at here, the market has developed in head and shoulder pattern. You can see here that give us the high probability, and we've been short from here. Even today, we were expecting here, as soon as the market respected, we had this beautiful short trade here. Market nicely hit to the previous low, and that's what explained my traders time to enjoy amazing profit. Now let me share with you guys how I analyze the market in intraday. That's a pretty straightforward. Based on the previous price action, we have impulsive. So technically, we were considering this one as a correction. So we were looking high probability short trade here. So as soon as the market broke on the previous low, this morning, London morning, as explained, my trader enjoy the amazing trade. As soon as the market hit to the blue fib channel, which is the fib channel and first target, as explained, my trader is time to enjoy amazing profit, or at least move your stop loss at the break even. So guys, if you want to see those analyses in real time, most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day, guys.